Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this 14 video I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on Binance with credit card. So in order to buy crypto on Binance with credit card, all you have to do is just follow the instruction as guided. So in order to do that procedure, first of all you'll have to log in. So once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the interface something like this. Here, go ahead and tap the trade icon located right at the bottom. So from the list, you need to go ahead and select buy. As soon as you click the buy button, next page it's going to ask you to select what you actually want to buy as a cryptocurrency. So in my case, I'm going to go with the Bitcoin. So here you need to enter in the exact amount that you wish to pay. So in order to enter the amount, enter the amount and make sure to select the currency type as well. And under it, instead of your bank account or some other sources like PayPal or Cash App whatsoever, you'll have to make sure to add a credit card in order to pay with it or to buy with it. So once you've done adding the credit card details, next page you need to review the orders. If you're sure about it, then swipe up to confirm the orders and you'll be notified with a statement stating that you've successfully bought crypto on Binance with credit card. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.